Here in Lake Havasu. This is known as dive site number 5. A whole group of people come out here and they dive. So that's what I'm going to eventually do here. I'm going to get geared up here in a little bit and come out here. But let me show you this water down here, show you some of this stuff that's out here, what people are out here doing. Eventually I want to get my metal detector out. I'm going to go around over here in this cove over there and I'll do some metal detecting. A lot of people like to hang out over there on the cove in the beachy area over there. In fact, you got campers over there. Pretty cool, huh? Wow. Well, I'm just hanging out here for the time being, but eventually I'm going to get suited up, get in that water. Let's see how cold that water is. Like I said, I'm just hanging out here. I'll eventually get suited up and get down there, but for now, let's just go hang out, relax.
Get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long don't work no more. Oh yeah, I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no, it ain't easy, darling, when the devil
Cranking up the radio, playing old Hank, and it ain't that long till I'm back at the pond. I'm pulling up the truck down at the dock. It's time to do some cruising, baby, get a little stuck. It's a Saturday joyride, Percy Beast is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. Yeah, we're chilling out here, ladies in the rear, feet in the water, top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, bumping out of the box. Yeah, we're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time, in our own honky tonk beneath the big blue sky. We live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling alright, it's a hell of a time. And I'm falling for a small town girl, so kiss me, darling, rock my world.
Well, man, that was quite the dive. Whew. Don't know how long we're down there for, maybe 30 minutes, maybe. Depth of, I don't know what it was, 33 feet, somewhere around in there. Anyways, that was sure fun. So, get together and we'll do it again another Sunday. They meet out here every Sunday morning. So anyways, you guys take care. Thanks for watching. Sure appreciate you all. So until we meet again, happy diving. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone.